Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite baby girl. You're that, you're Modion. So guys, welcome back and happy new year in advance. So guys, how is your Christmas? Well, mine was a blast because and that same particular day was my birthday. Yes guys. So you see why I said it's a blast. Yeah, I enjoyed every bit of it. It was amazing. I would have loved to film, but the stress before the birthday and struck Christmas was a mess. So I couldn't make filming any video. So guys, please, if today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, like that red bell. It means subscribe. It will not take anything from you guys. It's free of charge, so don't forget as well to hit this notification button. Hit the notification button so that you get notified every time, anytime I upload a new video. It's still me, your favorite, your Adeze, your senior daughter in the building. Happiness.
That's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system. It's simply how we've existed.
I'm going to be doing a quick video. Well, as for this hair here, maybe imagine, is this a wig? Did he buy it from where? Where did he get it? How did you make it? Actually, I made this by myself. And this thing you see here, this extension, is expression attachment. So if you are wondering how I achieved this course and how I install it, the video is going to be up here or on my description box, so go and check it out so that you will not miss anything from it. So today I'm just going to do a little makeup, also to tell you guys the mistake we normally made when we are doing our makeup, the right thing to apply first, how to pamper your face before applying anything on your skin. My mouth is drying out. I don't know. I always put on lip gloss, but I don't know why my mouth is still drying out. I don't know. So first of all, I'm going to be using the Beauty Dot Hello Glow Moisturizing Face Serum. Concentrate is how it is. So this is the remaining one. So now I'm just going to take a little bit. So now I'm going to be applying my Massimo Face Prime Makeup Base Hydrating. So this is how it is. Just step a little bit, So I have here my babe skin, so I'm just going to be using a little bit of that. So in here I have my Massimo Concealer Coverage Melt 2-in-1. So I have my flat brush as well. Just going to take as much as I want. Yeah, so I'm going to clean my brows. So guys, now I'm going to be taking this palette here with me. It's called Beauty Glass in the shade Pinch. So I'm going to be taking the shade, let me say first. So the colors are beautiful, so kind of difficult to choose, but well, if you know the highs you're going for, you know what to choose, isn't it? Yeah, so I'm going in with this shade right here. So I'm going to be taking my brush. This brush, I bought it from AliExpress, so it's so fluffy. I love how it blends your makeup out perfectly. So I'm going to be taking that, does the excess powder off, and then just go to the corner of your eye. So now I have other palette with me, just the same, but this one is melon. So in the shade Melon. So now I'm going to be taking this yellow shade right here. So with the other side, yeah, I've used it before, but it doesn't mean. So now I'm going to be using the former brush I used to apply the peach color to my eye, like just to blend them out. So I have this Mazamore browsing powder highlights here with me. This how it is, don't mind me, it's kind of rough a little bit. So this is how it is, and if you open it, you see the sparkling thing, just so beautiful. I don't know if it's, yeah, this is it. And I'm going to be taking a little bit of that, then come to the corner of my eye, just press that in. You see, so beautiful, like so beautiful. You can see there's a lot of difference between the two high. This one is kind of shining and this one is kind of melt. So you see, so now I'm going to be lining my eyes with my Mazamore Precision contour liquid eyeliner pen. So I'm just going to take that. So guys, I've lined the eyeliner. So now, just because there's a little bit of mess here and this side is kind of neater than this side, so I have my concealer here with me. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that with my flat brush and then use it to clean it. I'm sorry for that. That was my son, so obviously they must act like children. Well, sorry guys. So I think I've done that. Yeah, so now I'm going to be taking my flat brush, but no, not this one. So my brush, and then clean the rest of the concealer off my hand, and then apply and blend. So now I'm just using my foundation to clean my brows. So I have this Mass Factory as Health Skin Harmony Miracle Foundation here with me. So it's kind of darker than my skin. Yeah, than my skin tone. See, really way darker than my skin tone. Even at the back of my hand, you still see that it's a lot more darker than my skin tone. So I'm just going to use it as my contour here with my flat brush. With my brush, just going to apply that the upper side of my, which is my forehead, and then take it down to my chin, my cheek, and then to my chin. Using my flat brush to blend out my concealer. So guys, here we are. So actually I bought an eye contact from AliExpress. I've been afraid to fix it since then, but I finally gathered the courage to try it out, and I think they are beautiful. They're nice. I love them. It's not shook like some people said when they fix it, they feel the eyes is shooking them, but mine is not like that. that, and my eyes are not running tears either. So now I'm just going ahead to fix my lashes. I'll be right back, guys. So now, guys, I'm going to apply my blush. So just tap with my brush. Just, no. So now I'm going to take my highlights. So with the same brush, I'm going to apply my highlight, these two right here. Just tap and then, no. So now, guys, I'm going to line my lip. So guys, now I'm going to be spraying my face. So I have here my face. Well, first of all, the name of the company is written in French. Well, I've said this several times. I'm not a French person, yeah. So this is the name. Please concentrate. Can this thing just give me the concentration I need? Okay, it's called Face Makeup Long Lasting Spray. Yeah, that is all I know. But for the rest, the company can help me to pronounce that if they so wish. But it's so good, and the thing is that it smells so nice. I love the smell. Yeah, so I'm just going ahead to spray that. In case if you imagine when I was talking, I was spraying, didn't it enter my mouth? No, sorry, it did not. So guys, this is the finished look of this makeup. How did you guys say it? Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for tuning in today. May God in heaven bless you. Happy New Year once again. Stay blessed and be nice. Bye.